somewhere to work out and get affordable personal training in a small group, then you've found the right place. I'm Andrew Mead. With my partner Royden, we focus on what each individual needs. We've created a studio where you can work your own pace and fitness level, where you can get personal attention, expert help working with injuries, where you can build your strength, improve your overall fitness and health, and best of all, maintain it. Our clients often tell us that the things they love about Urban Workout is the way the program changes monthly, to add variety to what they're doing, to focus on different muscle groups and offer new challenges. They also love the friendships made and retained, and our social get-togethers get the thumbs up as well. This is the stuff of building strength and achieving a level of fitness that's right for you. We do challenge you? Sure, that's what we're here for, but we get to know you and your strengths and weaknesses, so you can achieve what you want with your exercise. So if you'd like to come down and do a free workout with us, just put your details into the form on this page and we'll get back to you. See you soon.